Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to learn how to use set square because what I've realized many of my students they are not using it properly. So this is just a revision for them, and I'm sure a lot of other people are also facing the same issue. Now, first of all, when you slide the scale, it should slide on this line, right? And at times, if you don't have this smooth, what you can do, you can use the other side. You can use it this side because nowadays all the boards we get this edge smooth. So you can use it like this also. But preferably if you have that edge and make sure it should be straight. There should not be any wave over here. No, it should be straight. So that you should, when you're buying the board, you should make sure that it is straight. If it is not straight, then use the other side. So that is first thing, how to keep T-scale. You should not keep T-scale like this. On top of this, it should be like this. It should slide along this. So this is one thing. Now, when you're drawing horizontal line, now most of the students, what I've seen, when they draw horizontal line, they use only one hand. Actually, you have to use both the hand. Try to keep at least one or two finger on your T-scale when you're drawing horizontal line. Let's say this way. Got it? Because there will be slight gap over here between your T-scale and paper. So if you don't put pressure, I'm afraid you won't get it accurate in terms of drawing. You won't get the required result. So whenever you're drawing horizontal line, make sure that you keep your finger on the board or like on this T-scale, and then you slide. See this. Okay. Now when you draw vertical line, what I've seen people doing vertical line like this. This is complete no. You can't draw vertical line like this because you have no idea whether this is 90 degree. So to draw 90 degree, what you should do, you should use T-scale and you should use set square. In that also, you should keep one finger on your T-scale and one finger on your set square, and then you draw vertical line. You can draw it like this also, you can use this way also. Now at times you have to draw a particular distance. Let's say I want to draw only 5 centimeter long line. So you draw light line first. Then with scale, you mark 5. Many times what happens, people they try to manage 5 over here with this. So it is time consuming. I'm not saying you won't be able to do it, but the easier way is to draw a line and then you mark with scale. So then you can draw that vertical line. So this is there. Normally we use 45 degrees set square. So see, once again I'll explain. One thumb on your T scale and in a such a fashion that it should lock this, right? Thumb over here and set square, see like this. You should be able to rotate set square with only your two finger like this. See this you should practice. This is very good practice. If you do this, you can draw vertical line very comfortable. Now we have one more set square. This. You can use this also. Like this or like this. Whichever you feel comfortable. Got it? So this and this is for right hand side people. Like those who are right. Now let's say if you are lefty, then how you should use this? Then you should keep it like this. I'm not lefty, I'm just trying to be lefty. So this is lefty. So he will keep T-scale like this. Working edge will be on his right side, and he will draw horizontal line like this, right? And if he wants to draw vertical line, then he can draw it like this or like this. See, sorry, this way. So you just see, my finger is always on the T-scale, and the and the thumb is on the set square. So this is how you should train yourself in terms of drawing horizontal and vertical line. Okay. So those who are lefty, they find this way much comfortable. So they can use it this way. And righty, as I've already said, they use it like this. So I hope you people have understood how to draw horizontal and vertical line with T-scale. If you have any query, you let me know. Thank you.